In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open Play Store. Then download free app Files by Google from Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now you need to set it up. In order to do that, choose Continue in the pop-up. Then use gray switcher next to Allow Permission and wait. When you finished, use those three lines at the top left corner. Click on Clean at the top. And finally, choose Clean under Junk Files. Last but not least, confirm your choice by selecting Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my device was scanned for any junk files. I didn't have any, but if you do, they will be deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!